YouTube. Today I will show you how to make slime out of non-toxic Elmer's glue and borax. I know I did this before, but I know how to make it like not that thick, like slimy. So yeah. Okay, so when I get this set up, it won't be that slime, like thick. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so I already put the glue in. So yeah. There. I think. Yeah. So I already put the glue in. Now you don't want to put too much. Like I barely have. But that's how it's slimy and not all thick. Just see, look, still glue. So I have a big chunk of it. Okay. So I just take it. So see, it's like turning slimy. Well, that's probably why, because that's in the way. So this is turning really slimy. So because I didn't put a lot. So I just put a little more. Still slimy. There's a clump in it, so I squish it. What you want to put the glue in is water. This is water. So yeah. It's really slimy. So I'm gonna put. Oops. So that way, if I put all of it together, it will stick like a lot, but not too much. It will stick together. I got a little more, a lot. So I'll just show you again. Some glue will come out. So if you fill it with water like that, then still slime coming out. The only reason it's coming out is because I had borax in the water. So that way, like, I think that's. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little more. So that way. Oh, I'm just gonna stir it so it gets stirred up. Then I'm gonna so that way it's slimy, like actual slime. That's what you could do, so that way you. So it's like this. That way it's not slimy. So yeah. But that's a way to make it not so thick. So I hope you liked it. I know the video long and it didn't make sense, so yeah. But it well then it's like not even glue. Glue is more liquefied than that, so yeah. Okay, so hope you liked it. That's the way to make it not so thick. So yeah.